So the next circuit that we will discuss is positive shunt clipper. Why it is called a positive shunt clipper? Anybody? Why shunt? Where the diode is in parallel with the load, parallel connection. So that is why you have the name shunt. Okay. Then let us see what will the output waveform be. During positive half cycle, what will be the diode? Forward bias or reverse bias? See, this is negative side, N, okay, minus. So this is P. So during positive half cycle, P side we have positive, diode will be what bias? Forward bias. Okay. Now see, this is what you have to understand for shunt clipper. Okay. That is, when it is forward bias, see diode forward bias means it is like on, or both ends of the diode simply connected. So diode is becoming on. Okay, means it is as good as this point connected to ground, right? Okay, diode on means both ends of the diode are at same potential, ideally. Okay, so diode on means it is as good as, say this is ground. By default in all our circuits, the bottom terminal is ground. Okay. When diode is on, then the voltage here will be how much? Diode on. On means, see, when you switch on, what do you have? You have 230 volts switch fan. When you switch on, the 230 volts is directly, the entire 230 volts is appearing to fan. Right? So what is happening? Okay, let me draw like this. Right? When switch is on, this point connected here. When switch is on, the entire 230 volt we are getting into the fan. That is how the fan is running, right? What is the voltage here? 230 volts. Okay, the voltage, when we ground this terminal, the voltage here is, what is the voltage here? 230 volts. What is the voltage across the switch? Voltage across the switch when it is on, the switch is on. Voltage across means voltage at one point minus voltage at other point. So how much? 230 minus 230. How much? 0 volt. Okay? Or when switch is on, the voltages across the switch are equal. Here also 230, here also 230. Okay? The voltage at one end of the switch is equal to the voltage at the other end of the switch when the switch is on. That is how your fan is running when you switch on. Here, for positive half cycle, we are giving positive signals P side, so diode is on. Diode is on means both ends same voltage. Already the voltage here is 0 volt, ground. So what will be the voltage here? Diode on means both ends same voltage. Already the voltage here is 0. So when diode on, what will be the voltage here? స్విచ్ ఆన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు both ends voltage is same. You have seen? Okay. Suppose not 230. Okay, say you do DC 5 volts. Still it works the same. When switch is on, okay, here how much? 5 volts. When this is ground, here how much? The 5 volts it is passing on to RL, right? Now, in case of 5 volts, I will give ground. Direct ground I will give. I will, okay? Anything we can give. Now when switch is on, comment it here. Hello. Last. Comment it here. Okay. Now what is the voltage here? Anybody? Direct ground you have connected. 0. Switch is on. What will be the voltage? 0. Switch is on means both ends are connected. Both ends connected means, okay, both ends have same potential. Right? Now tell me, for positive half cycle diode is on, voltage is 0. So what will be the voltage here? 0. Switch on means both ends same voltage. And then on is a direct connection. Right? Direct connection means what potential have? This is switch. Switch on means this point connected here. Okay? When points are connected, potential is same. So what voltage you have here? The same voltage you have here. Right? So here you have to remember, when diode is on, okay, when diode is on, the voltage across the diode is, okay, 0, or both ends of the diode are at the same potential. So what will be the voltage here? 0 volt. So for positive half cycle we will get 0 volt. Clear? Right? So for positive half cycle we will get 0 volt. What about negative half cycle? Next, we are considering negative half cycle. Negative at P side, diode will be what bias? Diode will be negative at P sides, reverse bias. Okay? Anyway, let me draw a separate circuit for it. For negative half cycle, we will draw the circuit separately. We are having negative half cycle. Diode reverse bias means what? Switch on or switch off? Reverse bias means off. Okay? Off means no connection. So, no connection. Right? Diode is off. Diode D is off. This is the situation. Okay? For negative half cycle, this is the situation. Right? Now, let me call the current I. Okay? Let me call the current I. Ohm's law you use and tell me what will Vn be equal to. Use Ohm's law. Vn will be equal to what? Ohm's law, voltage is equal to current into resistance. Okay? Two resistors resistors are in series. So the equivalent is addition. So tell me what will B in B? I into R, I plus, right? This will be B in. So what will I be? B in by R I plus R. Okay? Cross multiply this to the other side. We are getting this. Okay? Now, what will V naught be? Ohm's law. Again use Ohm's law. What is V naught? The current that is coming here cannot flow here. So what will be the current here? I. Okay? Right? Whatever the current that is coming here, it has only one path. Okay? Water is coming. It has only one path. So the water here will be the same. Right? So this current will be I. So Ohm's law use, what will V naught be? I into R. Okay? I already we got. I is what? Substitute that I here. V in by Ri plus RL. So this is V in into R L by. This will be the V naught. Okay? This will be the output voltage V naught when the diode is reverse bias. That is for negative half cycle. This will be the expression for V naught. Have you studied voltage division rule? Have you heard? What is the formula? This is voltage division rule. Okay? What is happening here? The voltage V in is divided in this Ri and RL. This is nothing but the formula for voltage division rule. Okay? What voltage division rule says is the voltage across one resistor is equal to total voltage into that resistor divided by sum of those two resistors. Okay? So V naught is equal to total voltage V in into the resistor RL by sum of these two Ri plus RL. Okay? So this is actually the derivation for voltage division rule. Right? So what happens during negative half cycle? The voltage is divided between Ri and RL because the diode is off. Right? Why the diode is off? Negative at P side, so diode off. Diode off means this is the situation. So two resistors are in series and the voltage is applied. So we use voltage division rule. Voltage division rule is nothing but this formula. Okay? Clear? Right. Let me continue here. Now what happens when RL is much greater than Ri? When RL is much greater than Ri, what is the, which one you can neglect here? Ri you can neglect. Okay? Ri you can neglect. So take Ri 0. If you take Ri 0, RL by RL will cancel. V naught will be equal to V. Okay? V naught will be equal to V. Right? Okay. V in, let me call it V in. Clear? Okay? Any doubts? Fine. So, for this situation, when RL is much greater than RI, we have V naught is equal to Vn. Now, let us draw the waveform. Okay? So, what will be the waveform? Anybody? What we will get here? Negative half cycle or positive half cycle or no cycle? What we will get here? Negative half Okay, right? Negative half cycle we will get. What about here? No signal. Okay, right? So this is what we will get again. Cycle continues, so we will get negative half cycle. Okay, so this will be the V naught. What will, okay, this is Vm. This is minus Vm. What will this point be? Anybody? This is Vm minus Vm. So what will this point, this P3? Yeah. When for this condition it will be minus Vm. For this condition it will be minus Vm. For this case, what will that be? We will have minus Vm here. Okay? Input is minus Vm. So this will be minus Vm into RL by Ri plus RL. Okay? That will be minus because at this point, what is Vi? At this point, Vi is minus Vm. Okay? So the corresponding output at this point will be, in place of V in, you have to substitute minus Vm. Okay? Right? So minus Vm into RL by Ri plus RL. Last, we are able to see? Okay? Fine. So this is minus Vm into RL by Ri plus RL. Any doubts? Okay, fine. So this is your positive shunt clipper. Have we seen similar waveform for series clipper? Series. Positive series clipper have we seen? Yes. Did we do transfer characteristics? Yes or no? Okay, right? So here, next for this condition, what will be the waveforms? For this condition, okay, tell me what will be the waveform for this case. For this case, okay, which half cycle we will get? Same, only negative half cycle. What will this point be? We are neglecting Ri, so V naught is V in, so this is minus Vm, so V naught is equal to Vm, so this will be how much? Minus Vm. Okay, for this condition V naught is equal to V in, right? Which half cycle? Negative half cycle only. Okay, so what will be the entire expression for V naught? What will be the entire expression for V naught? For what we should write? What should I write here? We have done this 4 times, right? So tell me what I should write here. Less than or greater than or? Which half cycle you are getting signal? Negative. So less than or equal to 0. Here greater than 0. Okay, right? So this is the mathematical expression for this waveform. For this expression already we have done transfer characteristics. Same you will get. So I am not repeating. Okay, you can copy the same transfer characteristics that you got for positive series clipper. Okay. Positive series clipper or positive shunt clipper waveform is same. Only the diode arrangement is different. So transfer function will be the same. The transfer characteristics, what we have seen, will be same and not different. Okay. Anybody write this part? Raise your hand. So what will be the next circuit? Yes. See previous pages. What will be the next circuit? Positive shunt clipper with what? Reference voltage. Okay, that will be the next circuit. Okay, same circuit you will draw. What was the circuit? RI, diode. Okay, then additionally what we will have here? Additionally what we should get? Reference voltage. What we should connect here? VR. Okay. See, whenever you come for class, study previous class and come. It will class becomes very easy, right? With the reference voltage means additionally we are taking VR. That is what we did in the previous class. Okay. Same. So this will be Vn. Okay, right? Vn is the same, so I will use the same Vn. Anybody write this later? Okay. Input voltage is the same. Right? Now we have to discuss what will be the output voltage. Okay. For easier analysis, let us take this condition directly. Let us take the condition. So the peak value we will get. Okay. At the output, right? Okay. How will the waveform in this case be? See here, previous case VR was 0. So we considered when Vin is positive, when Vin is negative, or when Vin is greater than or equal to 0, Vin is less than 0. Now we have to consider Vn greater than or equal to VR less than VR. Okay. So let us take VR somewhere here. This point I will take VR. Okay. Now what will be the situation from here to here? From here to here, Vin is less than VR. From this point to this point of the waveform, this small duration of the waveform, the voltage here is less than VR. Voltage at P side, this is N, negative, okay? Minus sign, negative, right? Voltage at P side is less than voltage at N side. So diode will be what bias? From here to here, input voltage is less than or equal to VR. Okay? Right? So the voltage here is less compared to the voltage here. Voltage at P side is less compared to the voltage here. Diode will be what? On or off? off. Okay, diode off. So from here to here, the diode is off. Off means no connection. Okay, off means no connection, right? No connection here means what will be the current? Anybody? No connection. Current will be zero. Very good. Because there is open circuit. Okay, right? When it will be zero? For this case, RL is very large. Okay, RL is very large. Then only it will be zero. Only for that condition. Okay, RL is very large. Very large means infinite. Means open. Means no RL. Okay, for that case only the current will be zero. When current is zero, what is the voltage drop? Ohm's law. Current is zero, voltage drop will be how much? Zero. Voltage drop is zero. Voltage drop or voltage difference, both are said. The voltage here minus voltage here is zero. The voltage here is Vn. What will be the voltage here? Vn. Same. Difference is zero. Means the voltage here A minus A, 0. B minus B, 0. Vn minus Vn, 0. Okay, so when the difference is 0, then the potential here is same as the potential here. Right? So, for this condition, Vn will be same as, Vout will be same as, what is this voltage? Vout. Vout will be same as Vn. Simple condition. As long as the input voltage is less than Vr, output voltage is equal to, okay, input voltage. So let me draw Vm here, let me draw Vr here. So now the condition is Vr, isn't it? So along Vr, I will draw one dotted line. Okay? Now, as long as the waveform is less than Vr, means here to here, V0 is equal to Vn. So same waveform. Okay? Next, see this part. This part also, the same condition is satisfied. What is the condition? Input voltage is less than Vr. So the waveform from here to here will be same as input. Okay, output which point? Here, this point. Okay, output will be same as input. Okay, from this point to this point, the output is same as input. Right? Next again here, where this point, output is same as input, right? As long as input is less than Vr, diode is off, Vin is equal to V0 because diode is off. Okay, when RL is large, the current is zero. You can neglect the current. Okay, same potential, right? So we got this. Now next case, when greater than Vr. Next is Vn less than Vr we have considered. When Vn is greater than or equal to Vr, what is the condition? We will consider. Second case. Okay. Next case. The voltage at P side is greater than voltage at N side. So diode will be on. Voltage at P side is greater than Vr. N side fixed Vr. P side voltage is becoming greater than Vr. So diode is on. On means direct connection. What will be the voltage here? Anybody? this point directly joined here. So what will be the voltage? VR. The voltage here will be simply VR. So as long as V in is greater than or equal to VR, this case output will be constant at VR. Again here, as long as input is greater than or equal to VR, output will be constant. So this will be the wave. Clear? Right? I have explained you 6 circuits. What are the 6 circuits? Positive series clipper. Positive series clipper with reference voltage. Negative series clipper. Negative series clipper with reference voltage. Positive shunt clipper. 5th one. Okay? 6th one, positive shunt clipper with reference voltage. Right? Next we will go for transfer function for this. Anybody writing this part, raise your hand. Okay, remember this is valid for RL much greater than RL. This whatever we have discussed is valid for RL much greater than RI. So this point will be minus VM. Okay, the peak, the negative peak will be at minus VM. Right? No loss. Without loss, the entire negative peak we are obtained. Okay, now what will be the transfer characteristics? Transfer characteristics, what is x-axis? D. Transfer characteristics, input voltage versus output voltage. So B input versus output voltage. Right? Anyway, first, what will be the mathematical relation here? See the graph and tell me. V0 is equal to Vn. V0 is equal to VR. For what is it right here? V in how much? V in, see here, see this graph. As long as input voltage is less than VR, this part, output is same as input. Right? So what I should write here? Less than VR. Observe the waveforms. From waveforms you can see clearly. Less than VR. Same thing you are getting. Less than VR. Input output are same. Yes. Okay. Next. When input is becoming greater than VR, output is clipped or output is remaining at VR. Right? So what I should write here for Vn? What? What I should write here? Greater than or equal to VR. Okay? So now how will we plot this? Take Vn, VR. Right? So when Vn, as long as Vn is less than VR, okay, so this part, what is the relation? V0 is equal to Vn. So V0 Vn, it is the same. When Vn is less than, so we will get like this. Right? Equal. Equal means when Vn is VR, V0 is also VR. When Vn is 0, 0 is less than VR. Then V0 is also 0. So 2 points, we join those 2 points. Next, when Vin is greater than Vr, output is constant at Vr. So, like this. Right? What should we write here? Anybody? What should we write from here to here? Fast. Where the waveform is getting clipped. When Vin is becoming greater than Vr, the waveform is clipped. So what should I write here? Clipped. What should we write here? Transmitted. Okay. Positive series clipper with reference. I did not give you the transfer characteristics. Okay. Same transfer characteristics is valid. Right? Okay. Whether it is series clipping or shunt clipping, waveform is same. Remember. Okay. Whether it is series clipping or shunt clipping, waveform is same. What is changing? Only the diode position is changing. Okay. Functionality is the same. Waveform is the same. Transfer characteristics will be the same. Only the diode position is changing. Okay. What will be the next two circuits? Anybody? Negative shunt clipper. After that, negative shunt clipper with reference voltage. Will you take it as homework? Very easy. Okay. 6 I have taught you. 2 I am giving homework. Right? If you think you need not. Anyway, online you will get the information, but if you think you will be able to do by yourself. Okay? So take these two as homework. Anybody writing this, raise your hand. Take these two as homework. Negative shunt clipper with reference voltage. Okay? Try it by yourself. Any doubts you can ask. Right? Anybody writing this one? Raise your hand.